Next, when the number of dots eaten is equal to the total number of dots, Pacman will be destroyed and you win message should be displayed. For that, I dragged another if code block under control outside this for loop. A code block with two equal marks in the math section is dragged like this for that condition here. Here, eat dots are given and here, tot dots are given. Because we want to destroy Pacman, drag the sprite.destroy code block under sprites into this if code block and give Pacman as the sprite. Now the you win message should be displayed. For this, I added a sprite for animation at the beginning. But we have not created that sprite yet. Also, animation was not provided. Since this message needs to be displayed when the eat dots equal tot dots, let's create a sprite here and give animation. For that, a var sprite code block under variables is dragged into this if code block. Let's name the sprite as success. Since this message needs to be displayed in the middle, 200 and 200 are given for the x and y positions. And here, I want to give the width and height of the sprite. Let's click on the arrow on the right side and set the space for two more parameters. Let's give 200 for the width as well as the height. Next, because we need to provide an animation, click on the sprites and drag a sprite.setAnimation code block like this. Give the name of the sprite as success and select you win for the animation. Also, if Pacman hits an obstacle in this game, Pacman needs to stop. I click controls and drag another if code block over here. Pacman needs to hit at least one of obstacle 1, obstacle 2, obstacle 3 and obstacle 4. Therefore, for the condition, drag a block with the O sign under map. Drag a sprite.collide.target code block under sprites to the right of the O sign. Let's give Pacman as the sprite and obstacle 4 as the target. Click sprites again to the left of the O sign and drag another code block with the O sign. Here too, drag a sprite.collide target code block under sprites to the right of the O sign. Let's give Pacman as the sprite here and let's give obstacle 3 for the target. A code block with the O sign is dragged by clicking math again to the left side of this O sign. Two sprite.collide target code blocks under sprites are dragged to the right and to the left from this O sign. Let's give Pacman here as the sprite and let's give obstacle 2 for the target. In the rest of the code block, the sprite is given as Pacman and the target is given as obstacle 1. If Pacman hits with one of these four obstacles, Pacman must stop. That means Pacman's velocity along x and y direction should be 0. For that, I drag a sprite.velocityx code block under sprites into the if code block here. Let's give Pacman as the sprite and the velocity as 0. Click the sprites again and drag a sprite.velocityy code block as before. Here too, as a sprite, give it as Pacman and give 0 as the velocity. Okay, now let's click the run button. I move Pacman along this dot line. Now press the down arrow key and change the direction and move down. Now when it hit an obstacle, Pacman stopped. But there is a little lag. The score is not displayed while playing this game. Although we have counted the score, it has not been displayed here. So let's prepare the code for that. Now again, click the reset button. I drag a fill code block under drawing above the draw sprite code block here. Let's give the color of the text here as orange. The number of points we want to display has now been assigned to the variable called score. Now let's display the value in that variable. I click on drawing again and drag a text code block here. Let's give the variable we want to display here as score. Before that, the x and y position required to display the score are given in 20 and 20. Now click the run button and play this game. If you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the number Note 7681252244. Tell your friends also about the creation you made. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. Stay tuned. See you with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.